Greetings. Welcome to Checkly, an innovative application designed to evaluate open-ended questions utilizing generative AI. This video will present a concise demonstration of the application's functionalities. For the generative AI component, we leveraged the open-source language model Ollama and AutoGen AI agents. Upon this screen, users are required to authenticate using their local SQL password. Based on the determined role, the application will dynamically display the relevant screens. We will continue the demonstration by showing the teacher user experience. Teacher's user has capability to construct assessments or exams and distribute them to their respective classes. To initiate test creation, educators are required to input the question, correct answer, relevant keywords, and assigned point value. Subsequently, the initial AI agent, designated as Bob, generates 5 additional answer variations based on the teacher's input. This functionality is predicated on the understanding that natural language exhibits multiple methods of conveying identical information. The next screen presents the AI-generated answer variations. By clicking the Answer button, users can access the specific content. Here we can see several generated answers. Furthermore, an Edit button is located at the bottom of the screen, enabling the teacher to modify the answer as needed. Here we can see the modified answer by the user. The same thing happens for the second question the teacher inserted earlier. A comprehensive log detailing all program operations is maintained within the Visual Studio Code terminal. Upon clicking the Done button, the teacher concludes the answer evaluation process. Let's take a look at the table of the teacher answers in the database. A dedicated table within the project's database contains teacher-related data. This table encompasses question IDs and contents of the answers, including both those provided by the teacher and those generated by the AI agent. To differentiate between answer origins, a Created By column is employed to indicate authorship. Preservation of the generated data is essential for future analysis. We will continue the demonstration by showing the student user experience. The student login process mirrors that of the teacher, with the exception of the user role selection parameter within the login interface. Upon successful student authentication, the examination interface is presented. The upper region of the interface displays the assessment question, while a central text box facilitates student response input. Navigation to next questions is achieved through the Continue button. Upon exam completion, a modal window conveying the message All Done appears, signaling the end of the assessment. Subsequent closure of this notification window and clicking the Done button triggers the activation of the second AI agent named Kevin. This agent is tasked with generating a comprehensive evaluation of the student's answer, leveraging both the instructor's provided answer and the previously generated answer variants as reference points. The grade of the student's answer is calculated by the Cosine similarity matrix. Cosine similarity is a metric used to measure how similar two text documents are by converting them into numerical vectors using techniques such as TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency. The cosine similarity score ranges from 0 to 1. 1 indicates that the documents are identical. 0 indicates no similarity. Values closer to 1 indicate higher similarity. To assess the similarity between a student's answer and answers in the database, the function preforms the following steps. 1. Calculate the cosine similarity between the student's answer and the teacher's answer. 2. Calculate the cosine similarity between the student's answer and each generated answer in the answers bank individually. 3. The final similarity score for the student's answer is calculated as the average of all these similarity scores. A student's response is deemed correct if the average similarity score to multiple reference answers exceeds 0.8. This threshold was established due to the inherent ambiguities and complexities of natural language. Upon completion of the assessment grading and review process, a comprehensive summary screen is presented to the student. This overview encapsulates the original questions, the student's corresponding answer, the automated evaluation provided, and the given points for each question. Let's take a look in the student answer table at the database. A dedicated SQL table is maintained to store student answers, corresponding feedback, and earned points. This concludes the program demonstration. We hope the presented video was clear and informative. Thank you for your attention.